I want to talk about this four-stage knife sharpener that Orange Ninja sent me to do a video on. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. If you've ever worked in kitchens or butcher shops like I have, you know that the most dangerous knife is a dull knife. And you need to keep it sharp. It's going to keep it working properly, and it's going to be the best way to keep yourself protected in the kitchen. This thing right here is going to be extremely helpful. Ergonomic. It's got 4 different stages, and it locks right on the ground there. You can see it's got feet on the bottom. So it's going to dig right in. It's not going to move while you're moving it. And like I said, 4 stages. You've got the coarse, you have a medium, you have a fine, and the very one down at the bottom, if you have serrated knives that you're looking to sharpen, this is going to take care of those as well. And this thing is extremely easy to use. It's going to depend on exactly how dull the knife is. This one's got a little bit of wear and tear on it. So I started out with the coarse, pull it through 3-4 times or so. Then move it down to the medium, same thing, pull it through 3 or 4 times, and then finally hitting it on the fine, pulling it through 3 or 4 times. If you have a knife like this one that's not quite as dull, I'll usually start on the fine or the medium just to kind of put a little finishing edge on it. But this thing is extremely handy, very portable, easy to use, be a great addition to any kitchen for anyone who likes to have sharp knives. To pick up one for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.